Welcome back. Today we are going to be transforming one of the mixed numbers into an improper fraction. Just what I was talking about in the previous video. So just a quick note to remind us what we are dealing with. On the right we have an example of a mixed number. Okay, a mixed number, just to remind us ourselves, has a normal fraction on the right hand side, but on the left hand side you have something called as the whole number. But while on the improper fraction side, on the left side, we have what's called as a normal fraction, in which the a or the numerator is always bigger than or equal to the denominator. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to convert the right hand side into something which looks a little bit like the left hand side. Okay, basically mixed number fraction to an improper fraction. Another quick note: the upper portion is we're going to be referring it to as a, and the lower portion is going to be referred to as b. So another note, that mixed number can actually only be transformed into improper fractions. They cannot be transformed into proper fractions. Let's actually try to do the task using this example: 2 whole 5/7. So one of the first tasks that you have to do is basically just write down the denominator side as it is. Now we're the only thing left for us is the a portion that we have to try to find out on our right hand side in order to transform the mixed number into an improper fraction. Now the way you do this is you take out your base and you multiply it. Base by base I mean the b, and you multiply it with the whole number. In this case we have 7 times 2, which gives us 14, and then what you do is you add this number to the numerator. In this case it is 5, and what you do is then you put that number, in our case this is 19, into the top numerator side, into our new numerator side. And that is basically how you do a conversion of a mixed number into an improper fraction. Let's do another example. You can pause the video and do exactly the same thing that I did previously. Okay, now let's try to do it on our own. 4 times 3 equals, I got carried away. We're going to write the bases as they are. Now 4 times 3 equals 12, and then that 12 is going to be added with a 2, which becomes 14. Okay, so this is basically all there is. We'll actually do another step. We'll simplify it, and the way you simplify it is just you pick out numbers that you find are common on both sides. In this case I found that you have 2 that is common on both sides, so I just divided the whole fraction by 2. So 4 divided by 2 gives us 2, and 14 divided by 2 gives us 7. So this is basically all you need to do to convert an improper fraction in a mixed number. A mixed number into an improper fraction, and it is really that easy. Thank you for watching, and I really hope you learned something.